How to play Roblox on a school Chromebook. So first open your browser. And then search extensions and then click on Chrome Web Store and then search for Read and Write. And then tap on this second extension and just add to Chrome. It will take time to download. After it is downloaded, go to your search bar and enter. Now next website goes to search github.com on your Chrome. In with GitHub, after selecting GitHub you will see cat on the top, just tap on it. There's no need to sign in and then you will be directed to this page. Tap on open source and then go for topics. After coming to topics, search for Google. If you don't find Google, here clicks on load more and then hopefully you will find Google. So here I found Google. After finding Google, tap on Google and then you will be directed to this page. Here you will see there is like to Google, tap on it. And now your Google has been opened, now search for Roblox here. And then just go to your Roblox and now you can play Roblox on your Chromebook. So, subscribe to this channel for more.